Hi, I'm Emily. I'm 8 years old. I had to have surgery at St. Luke's, but they made it especially nice for me and everything worked out fine. Maybe hearing about my trip will help you feel ready for yours. Today was the day. We got to the hospital, but I was a little bit nervous. Mom checked us in with the lady at the desk. She took some information and made me a special wristband. It had my name on it and some other stuff that the doctors and the nurses needed to know. Mom and Dad got one too, so everyone would know we were all together. Then we headed to the waiting room. Mom said hello at the desk, and Dad and I went straight for the fish tank. Mom came back from the desk, and we sat down to read a book. Pretty soon, they called my name, and we went to the pre-op area where I would get ready for surgery. The nurse measured me to see how tall I was and how much I weighed. I climbed into the bed, and the nurse put a blanket on me. Then she put this thingy called a pulse oximeter on my finger to measure my heartbeat and how much oxygen is in my body. It was pretty cool to watch my heartbeat on the screen. The nurse said everything looked great, so I got to hop out of bed and check out the play area. They had a lot of different toys and games and books and other cool stuff, including my favorite, dinosaurs. Pretty soon, a few more people came by. One of them was an anesthesiologist. He's a doctor in charge of my sleepy medicine. The medicine helps me sleep so I won't wake up or feel anything during surgery. After he left, a child life specialist came in to ask how I was feeling about today. She gave me a mask and I got to pick out a good smell for it. I chose strawberry. Then I got to decorate my mask with a bunch of stickers. My doctor popped in to say hi, and she thought my mask looked really good. Soon, it was time to go to the operating room, so Mom and Dad gave me a big hug and said, "See you soon." Then they went back to the waiting room. We followed the St. Luke's star path to a room with a squishy bed where I would sleep during surgery. The nurse put a warm blanket on me and some stickers to measure my heartbeat and oxygen. Then she told me it was time to go to sleep, so I took some deep breaths using the mask I decorated and fell asleep. I woke up in the recovery room. My nurse asked how I was doing and told me that Mom and Dad were on their way. Dad gave me a big smile and Mom told me everything went well. The nurse took my temperature and used the pulse oximeter to check my heartbeat and breathing one more time. Everyone was really proud of me, and I got a yummy popsicle. After that, it was time for me to go home. Some kids will stay overnight in the pediatric unit. There's lots of fun things to do, and one of your parents can spend the night with you too. I got right out to the car and thought about what an interesting adventure it was. So, that's my St. Luke's story. If you want, you can take a tour of the hospital before you go. If you have any questions, talk to your mom or dad. One thing is for sure, the people at St. Luke's will take great care of you.